Alright, what's good, y'all? This your boy is on. I'm back with another video. Now, look, I'm finna be showing y'all another little technique that you can add to your trading to make your trading better. You know what I'm saying? Like my last video, I showed y'all about the two EMAs crossing and how you could use that to like get a little entry for like scalping and stuff like that. But I'm about to show y'all something else that y'all can use too that can help you get good entries like for better pips. You know what I'm saying? Because when you scalp, you just hop in the market trying to get 10, 20, 30 pips and get out. You know what I'm saying? Especially like on US 30 and gold, you just want to get in the market and get out quick. But look, we finna get into this in a second. But hey, before we start the video, I want y'all to do me a favor, yo. If you new to the channel, hit the subscribe button, bro. And if this video help you out in any type of way, hit the like button. You feel me? Because the last video went crazy. Like for this channel, it had the amount of subscribers it got, and this being my first like Forex video I posted on this channel, that video did good. We got like 600 views. You know what I'm saying? And the jank went crazy. Also, I got a Forex chat that you know what I'm saying, created on Telegram. So if you want to join that, you can join it. The link gonna be the first link in the description. Also, if y'all want some signals from me, like if y'all want me to trade for you, basically, I charge $30 a month. Just join the Telegram group chat and let me know in the group chat that you want to sign up for the signals, and we could get the and I could get you like added to the chat or whatever, so you can start taking the signals if you one of the people who like don't like to sit and look at the charts all day and trade on their own. So yeah, we about to try to keep this video real short and simple. Like I said, just subscribe to the channel if you're new, hit the like button on the video, and let me know in the comment section if you if these videos helping you out. And also let me know what other type of videos y'all want me to teach y'all, because I literally know about basically, I know everything I need to know about the market. You know what I'm saying? I'm still learning new stuff every day. So if y'all want me to teach y'all anything, yo, just literally leave it in the comment section and I got you, yo. So let's hop into it though. So what I'm about to be showing y'all, right, is how to use a trend line to get entries. Now a lot of people use trend lines the wrong way, but I'm gonna show y'all how to use it in a way that you can always like get into the market and not really get tricked. You know what I'm saying? Because trend lines is kind of tricky. Like it follows the trend, yeah, but sometimes you don't never really know when it's gonna break the trend line. So you kind of gotta hop in the market at the right time, right? So we finna go ahead and go over to the chart and let's get it. So all right, this will be at. So look, this is basically what you got, right? This is what you call your peak low, and this is gonna be your peak high, right? These are 2 points in the market where all the consolidation and stuff is happening, right? I mean, if you looking at this chart, it wouldn't look like consolidation to you because you probably gonna be looking at this as consolidation. But if you take a wider outlook at the chart, this is all consolidation right here. Until something actually starts moving or going up, then this is consolidation, right? All of these candles are within these two, within this one leg, right? So you got your peak low and your peak high, right? So what you're gonna do is you're gonna draw a trend line on a 1 hour time frame. You can draw the trend line on whatever time frame you want, but I'm just showing you how to do it on the way that I do it, right? So basically what I start off doing is I draw some zones. I showed y'all how to make zones. I think I showed y'all how to make zones. I don't think I showed y'all in my last video. But anyway, a zone is basically you just come on like the 4 hour chart or the 1 hour, and you just mark up any areas where price went to and struggled. You know what I'm saying? Any basically rejection areas. I try to look for 5 when I'm trading, but I got 4 right here on this pair, and this is pretty cool for me. Like I probably would have marked up this, but this really just happened, so I didn't mark it up. But anyway, you can do it on the 1 hour and the 4 hour, and you can use the 4 hour to go down to the smaller time frame and also get some of those candles. So like for this zone I drew down here, I actually marked this trade up a couple days ago, and it played out perfectly. Like I should have had my zone actually up here at this 1 hour close. Okay, this is where I should have had my zone like at, and then I got into this trade up here at 39.60 at 30,600, right? And it came all the way down to 29,800, and I was 80 pips. Hold on, I'm doing a video. So yeah, I caught 80 pips on this trade. Unfortunately, I was only able to take 40 pips because when I woke up, I had my TP down here somewhere, and it just came down here and just wicked up because I had my zone at the wrong area. You know what I'm saying? Because I didn't count for this candle. So basically, let me skip all the talking and chit chat. Basically, what you want to do is you mark up your zones, right? Once you got your zones marked up, you drag the trend line from your peak low, and you try to like get it to wherever price is at right now, right? And you want to get as many. If you draw your trend lines from the wick to the wick, then you want to get as many wick touches as you can, right? if you draw from the body, then you just draw from the body of the peak low to another body. You know what I'm saying? However you want to do it, right? So for me, I would do this like this. Take my trend line and I would just draw to where I get the most wick touches, right? So that's like right there. I got my trend line really bold for y'all so y'all can actually see what's going on. And basically what you want to happen is, right, we don't trade on the trend line. We don't trade that way, okay? What you're going to be doing is you're going to trade when the trend line gets broken, okay? You just got to have patience because this is going to give you that good entry. If you wait for the trend line, like right here, you would have got faked out. You would have caught some pips, but you wouldn't have caught no big move like this, okay? So if you would have entered right here when it came off this trend line, you would have caught some pips. How much you would have caught? You would have caught about 50 pips, which is good. But people get greedy and they wouldn't have closed this trade. They would have thought it would have kept going up to 32,000 or something. And look what happens on this next candle. It just shoots straight down, right back to your entry. And now you stopped out the trade if you didn't close at that 50 pips, right? So if you don't want to take risks like that, and you actually like a swing trade or something, you want to hold your trades a little longer, what you want to do is you want to wait for the trend line to get broken, and you want to wait for a retest of that trend line, right? And what happens here? The trend line gets broken. The next 1 hour candle comes back up to the trend line and wicks it. Once this candle closes, we get our entry, right? Now you want to go down to the 5-minute time frame to like actually get your entry, but this is what you seeing, right? We got the trend line come up here. It broke the trend line. We got a retest, and then what happens? It falls from here, right? I don't even know how many pips this is. This endless pips. From up here, you would have caught 160 pips. Literally. Let me see how many days this was. In about 2-3 days. You know what I'm saying? But it's worth it though. Once you get them good swing entries, it's worth holding them. Okay? So that's basically what you want to do. You want to trade after the trend line is broken. Okay? Now let me show y'all from this area, right? Say you was trying to draw from the top. This is how you would draw it on the top. You will come at the top of the candle and you draw it down to the bottom where you get the most wick touches, okay? Right? What happens here? We don't care about this because this wasn't here. When this candle, when the trend switched after it wicked this trend line, what happened? It fell, right? And then what happened? It came back up, broke the trend line, then it came back down for a retest, right? You want to count these candles as a retest because they never came back to the trend line. So this is where you would have got faked out. You feel me? Because you would have been like, oh, I'm about to hop into this trade because you're going to think it's going to keep going. It's going to come to this trend line and come back down. Even though it eventually did go down, that wasn't what the banks was trying to do. They just came down here to collect more orders and then they pushed the price back up, okay? Because they wicked right off of this trend line. So you just wait for the trend line to get broke and then you enter the trade, okay? You go on your 5-minute time frame and you look for an entry. So yeah, that's all I'm going to show y'all for this video, man. Make sure y'all like the video. Subscribe if you're new. Join the Telegram chat in the link in the description, alright? Because we getting lit in there. We got like 50, 60 members in there right now. Let's try to get to 100. So if you need to join that, go ahead, join it. Like I said, I do signals too. So if you want to sign up for the signals, it's $30 a month. Just hit me up in the Telegram group chat with the link in the description, and I'll get y'all set up for that. But yeah, any more videos y'all want me to make, just let me know, and I'll make them for y'all. But that's going to be it, yo. I'm gone.